Hi, David. My name is Don Cunningham. I work for Genuine Web Solutions, a marketing agency. I found your website on the fourth page of a Google search, so I thought I would shoot this video for you with some tips and some tricks and things you can do to improve your online visibility. I do this because I know that business owners are usually very busy running their own business to take the time to see all the way or explore all the ways the internet can help them in their business. And there are three things that you can do today to beat out your competition online. The three things I wanted to talk about are content, citations, and backlinks. The first thing is the content. Now, the content specifically is referring to the word content on your home page, and specifically the number of words in your content. Okay, Google likes to see a minimum of 1,500 words of content on your home page in order to fully optimize it. You have 1,155 words on your home page. But in addition to the number of words, it's also you want to include in the content keywords that are going to be used in searches that are going to cause your site to be found. Okay, now this is the website of one of your top competitors, and their website did come up on the first page of a Google search. So we need to find out, there are several reasons why. But for one thing, they have 1,411 words of content on their homepage. And just looking at their website, you can see that you can actually see more word content on their homepage. Okay, now I want to talk about citations. Now I have here the results of a Google search. Over here on the left is what we call our organic listing, and over on this side here is our map section, or we call it map pack. Okay, now what a citation is your name, address, and phone number, also known as a NAP. So I click here, it brings up the profile, and then in the profile you can see your name. Let's go down here, address and phone number, and that is also known as a NAP. And the important thing about the NAP is you want to have it listed in online directories. Okay, now these are some of the directories that your NAP could be listed in. In addition to these, there are still a couple of hundred other online directories that your nav could be listed in. But the important thing is you want to have your nav listed in more directories than your competitor. And there's a site called Bright Local, and on that site you can actually go and see the exact number of directories that their nav is listed in, and then you could match that and for your citation list. And ultimately, you would be just to get your name listed in more directories than your competitor, which is going to give you more relevance in Google. Okay, now this is a tool that I use called Ahrefs, and it's a paid tool, but it shows the background details that Google is looking at when it's ranking a website. And as I mentioned before, you want to have keywords. This is your site here in Ahrefs, and you want to have keywords that are going to be found in searches to find it. and you currently have 6. The third thing I wanted to talk to you about is backlinks. Now, backlink is when one website links to another website online, and what it does is the site being linked to it gives it authority. So the more sites you have linking back to your site gives your site more authority, and the more authority you have, your website has, the higher the ranking is going to be in Google. And this is your site here, as I said before. It shows here you have 113 backlinks. Okay, now this is the website of your competitor, AC Plus and Ahrefs, and you can see here now they're being found for 18 organic keywords, and they have 240 backlinks. So what could be done here for you to improve your ranking? You need to get more backlinks and you need to get more keywords. And what we could do here with the keywords, we could use the same keywords they're being found for uh, in your content. And then also as a backlink, we could get the same backlinks that are linking back to their site. But in addition to that, we could get even more backlinks to link back to your site. And both of those things would cause you to rank higher than they do in a Google search. Okay, well that's it in a nutshell. Again, we went over content. You want to have a minimum of 1,500 words of content on your home page. But included in that content, you want to have keywords that are going to be used in searches that are going to cause your site to be found. And then we went over citations. You want to have your NAP listed in more directories than your competitor, which will also cause Google to rank you higher if you have more, you're listed in more directories. And then we went over backlinks. So you want to have more backlinks than your competitor, which also gives you more authority. All of these three things raising your ranking in Google. So I hope this has been informative for you and you like what I've showed you. All of these things are things you could do yourself, or if you want a quicker, more effective route, you could give me a call at 714-473-0269. Again, my name is Don Cunningham, 714-473-0269. Thank you for watching the video, and I hope to hear from you soon. You have a great day.